Hey, thanks for visiting my website where I'm going to be showing you in less than 10 minutes presentation how we are helping people like me and you to either start or scale their Amazon business through Wholesale FBA. If you don't know what Wholesale FBA is, it's basically providing you with products that are coming from wholesalers that you can then resell for a profit on Amazon, okay? And I'm going to show you some results from our own clients, because that's the best way to show you how the system works. Like Carlos, for example, that so far he invested $4,300 and made $3,400 back in profit with a 34 net profit percentage and 111% return on investment. And for example, Lucas, you can see that in the last 100 orders, from May, June, in the last few months, he made over 9,755 in profit. But one thing that I want you to focus on is the ability to place orders below the minimum order quantity that the supplier is asking. For example, you will be able to access suppliers that don't want to work with Amazon sellers. If you are on the online arbitrage space, you would have noticed already that many wholesalers don't want to work with Amazon sellers. You will be able to access those products through us, through our software, because we are legally registered wholesalers as well. So we can open a lot more doors than any Amazon seller would be able to do. But one of the advantages of our service is that for people especially that haven't got a massive capital to invest, some wholesalers that might want you to place an order of 2, 3, 5, 10,000 pounds or dollars. With us, because we created a buyer's community, that doesn't exist. So for an order of 2,000 pounds minimum order quantity requirement from the wholesaler, you will be able to place an order for 2, 3, 500 pounds only, right? And we are going to make the rest. Okay, so this is one of the advantages. And Lucas, in the last 100 orders, invested 8,883 pounds to make 9,755 back in profit, with a 28% profit and 139% return on investment. Or our Anthony, you can see, is placing little orders in here: 79, 68, 109, 38, 281. Small orders, especially made for people that might not have a massive amount of capital to invest. We are giving you the ability to join our service regardless of how much you can invest. So you don't need 10,000, 1,000, 2,000, whatever makes you comfortable, you can start with those, okay? And you can see that in the last 100 orders, actually, in here we got 292 orders, but in here I'm only showing you the last 100. He invested 11,000 and made 6,000 pounds in profit with 21% net profit and 116 return on investment. But let's get to it. Which products should you sell? Okay, this might be the question that you are having right now. The products that we are offering you are products that are already in high demand. Products from brands that are already known worldwide. Products that are already in your house. If I tell you, you know Colgate, you know Oral-B, you know Max Factor, you know Maybelline, L'Oreal, Neoxin, all these brands that everybody knows, that thanks to the fact that are already on Amazon, we can gather the bestseller ranking. Therefore, we can estimate their estimated sales per month, and thanks to the cost that we've got from our suppliers, we can give you an estimated profit per month per product through our software, which I'm going to show you in here right now. Okay, so these products, as I said, they are already in every household. That's why you will know them, and because they are already on Amazon, you won't need to create a listing, pay-per-clicks, paying for advertising, marketing, none of that. You don't need to invest thousands to start with, like, for example, launching your own brand. And the best part of it is that you will never even need to find suppliers, because this is what we do. We have helped so many people in the past 5 years, since 2009 when we launched this service, to start or scale their business working from the comfort of their home, selling wholesale products on Amazon in every category. So what is this all about? You will be able to test our service for 14 days with a free trial, and then if you're happy, you are probably going to start with us 4 years, to stay with us for years to come. My target is to have an amazing working relationship with you, where we are going to support your business with so many products to sell that you will never struggle to find what to sell again. The best part is that we do all the hard work, from supplying the products to sending the products to Amazon. We are an all-in-one supply to distribution service, because we understand that some people that join our service are still working full time. This is how I started back in 2013. I was still working full time, and then coming back from work, I had to start sourcing products, contacting suppliers, placing orders. It was a lot of work to do. And thanks to this experience that we gathered in the past 11 years of selling on Amazon ourselves, we have now created a service to help our fellow Amazon sellers to not having to go through all that hard work that we actually are now doing for you. So all you have to do is placing orders from our software. So we are gonna give you the possibility to access a software that with the few clicks of the buttons, you will know exactly how much you're spending and how much profit you can expect back. Okay, so this is how it works. When you decide to sign up with us, you are gonna get an email, usually within the next 10 minutes, to get you set up with our team, website and software. They are all in video format, really easy to follow, step by step, click in here, click in there, videos where you can pause them, you can watch them at a higher speed if you're a fast learner, or you can pause every time I tell you to click here or click there, pause it and apply it. We want action takers, okay? So we want to make sure that you are taking the most advantage out of our service. The first thing to do is to check your email. If it's not in the inbox within the next 10 minutes, it might be in your spam folder. So make sure that you mark us as a trusted seller. And once you do that, you will have to access the members area, which is called Customer Center, with all the instructions step by step on how to get set up in video format, as I said. Once you get access to the members area, simply follow each video as it is presented, because I put them in a strategic order so that you will never have to ask yourself, what do I need to do next? Okay, so here is how the members area is presented to you. You can see that there's going to be the welcome video, and then you're going to access our private communication channel, and then I'm going to give you access to our software, the website, and then the best part of it, finding winning products, the money-making activity part of the members area. So once you're going through this, you're then going to get access to our admin group, which is where my team is continuously sharing products with you daily. So again, you will never have the issue, what should I sell now? Because look at this case, for example, we share the supplier on the grocery, office products, health and beauty category, where our minimum order quantity for you will be only £500, for example. For us, or if you would try and get this supply by yourself, should you manage to get the trade account, because many wholesalers, they don't want to work with Amazon sellers. With us might be like 2,000 or 3,000 the minimum order quantity. So you'll be able to access not only the suppliers that don't want to work with Amazon sellers, or they want you to have $1 million in revenue, or they want you to have a VAT certificate, or all these kind of things, article of associations, but you will be able to access those through us at a lower barrier of entry, because between your order, my orders, or other people, other clients' orders, we are going to reach the 3, 5, 10,000 together, and you can access them at a lower barrier of entry. Okay, in here we're sharing also a toy category supplier with only £500, lead time 5 days. This one, another supplier on the health and beauty category, where we are asking our clients to place an order of just £100. So as you can see, we got suppliers for every kind of pocket, okay, because we understand that there are people that can invest thousands and people that can only invest hundreds, okay. And then we are gonna give you access to a team. You imagine what it would be to have 10 people. That you would have to pay 10 wages. That would be minimum £15,000 per month, right? At the minimum wage in the UK. But you are gonna get access to my entire team, the buyers, the prep center people, management, directors, everyone within a group where you can ask any question that you want, and you need us, any support that you need on the FBA world, we are there to help you. Okay, we got the answers for you. So follow each video step by step. As you can see here, these are the most important ones: how to find winning products, how to place an order, and understanding our software. Once you have completed the members area, which takes probably a couple of hours, 3 hours, so that's all we're asking you to do, is to just dedicate that time. If you watch the videos two times faster. You might do it even faster. But once you have watched a few videos to get all set up, requesting assistance from my team, we are gonna welcome you. Everybody is very interactive in there. You will then get access to our software, okay, where you can see that with a few clicks of the buttons, like in this case, we are ordering a few products. You can see the suppliers got 4,586 products. And you can see exactly how much is missing for those to reach the minimum order quantity in here. We are only asking £500 on this particular one, and the minimum order quantity is 2,000. So basically, you don't have to invest that much unless you want to, of course. With the lower barrier of entry, you'll be able to place an order from the supplier, okay? And at any point, you can see how much you're going to be spending versus how much you're going to be making, what kind is the net return on investment, the net profit you can make for every order, okay? So this is, in a nutshell, what the service is all about. What's next? So next, you simply need to go down below this video and click subscribe. You're gonna get your 14 days free trial. And before I forget, you're also gonna get 300 units prepped, packed, labeled, and shipped to Amazon on your behalf every single month. Okay, so if you think just any prep center, in normal prep center would charge you around 160, 170 pounds to prep, pack, and ship these units, you are gonna get them included with this service, which is basically going to make this service free for you. So right now we got over 100 suppliers between UK, Europe, and United States. So wherever you are selling, we are ready to help you in each country. Just in the UK, we got 54 different wholesalers. Okay, hundreds of thousands of products. So this service is gonna help you to scale your business or start the wholesale FBA world if you are doing online arbitrage. All you need is a seller account and you are ready to go. Okay, so please click below to get your 14 days free trial. But if you got questions, there is gonna be an email, I think above or below, somewhere around this video, and a phone number where you can contact my own team every day, Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and we'll be happy to help you with any question you want. Or you can simply book a Zoom call with me where we are gonna go in an extensive, usually 45 minutes to an hour call, where you can ask me all the questions which you might have. Okay, I look forward to working with you for years to come. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.